Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to look at the price action in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the price action from the higher time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. So when we look at the economical events plan for today, today is Friday, 24th February. We have a tentative high impact news planned for Japanese yen at 12:30 p.m. At 7 p.m. we have high impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. At 8:30 p.m. we have lots of medium impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. And we have G20 meetings which will have medium impact in the market today. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, we can still notice the price action to be in a very strong bearish trend continuously. But also you can notice that the red candles are becoming weaker and weaker. So we can notice the bearish trend is becoming weaker, but there is no sign of any bullish trend reversal for now. This is again a indecision candle. Let us wait and see if the price action bounces back on the bullish side retracement, which means that it has to break the resistance level of 1834, which is the previous candle's high. When we look at the support level according to the Fibonacci's percentage, it has broken the support level of 0.186, which was around 1860, and now it is in a bearish trend, and next level of support is going to be around 1813, which is around 0.5%. So if the bearish trend continues, we can expect it to take support around the support level of 1813. This level is also considered as a very strong support level according to the Fibonacci's levels. So for now, the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is in a bearish trend, and if the bearish trend continues, next level of support is going to be around 1813. And to get the confirmation on the bullish side trend reversal, we have to wait for the price action to break this resistance level of 1833, which is the high of the previous candle. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame. As usual, when I look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, I'm drawing a trend line or a resistance line connecting the highs of the past price action. And we can clearly notice that again the price action has taken support on the midline of this bearish channel pattern, and we are noticing the price action to show the signs of little bit of bullish side retracement. But again, as long as the price action is trading within this bearish channel pattern, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame. So in 4 hours time frame also we are noticing the current trend to be in bearish trend. But when we look at the overall price action, it is still trading within a box pattern. Previously, the price action had tested this level of 1818, and we have noticed the price action to bounce back and again to take support around the level of 1818 and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement in 4 hours time frame. So we have to wait for the price action to give a breakout from this box pattern on the bullish side or on the bearish side. So wait for the today's candle's opening. If the price action opens below this box pattern, it will be the continuation of the current bearish trend. And if the price action opens above this previous candle, it will be again trading within this box pattern. It has to give a breakout from this box pattern in order to get the directional momentum in 4 hours time frame. But we can also consider this as a consolidation, which means that it is bottoming out, and we can expect a bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And this prediction is based on the current consolidation, but for now the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend as long as it is trading within this bearish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance lines. So currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1820 and the resistance level of 1826. Once the price action breaks the resistance level of 1826, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1834, 1846 and 1859, which means that it will be breaking this bearish channel pattern, and we can expect the chances for the bullish side trend reversal in 4 hours time frame. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks the support level of 1820, next level of support is going to be around 1814 and 1805, which means that it will be giving breakout from this box pattern, and the price action will be trading within this bearish channel pattern, which gives a confirmation on the continuation of the current bearish trend. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. In hourly time frame, when we look at the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame, I'm again drawing a trend line or a resistance line, and based on this trend line, we can clearly notice that the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend for now in hourly time frame. And we have a very strong support level from the 4 hours time frame around the level of 1818. Once the price action gives a breakout from the support level of 1818, it will also be giving breakout from previous supports also, which means that we can expect the bearish trend to continue in hourly time frame also. And next level of support is going to be around 1814. And if you want to take trades on the bullish side retracement, wait for the price action to give a breakout from this trend line, based on which you can enter on the bullish side trade in hourly time frame. And again, as long as the price action is trading within this bearish channel pattern resistance line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in hourly time frame also. It has to give a breakout from this resistance line in order to start a bullish side retracement, and it has to give a breakout from this rectangle pattern in order to start a bullish trend reversal in hourly time frame also. Until the price action is trading between this rectangle pattern, we can expect the sideways momentum to continue in hourly time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is in a bearish trend, and if the bearish trend continues, next level of support is going to be around 1818, 1814 and 1805. And if the price action takes support around the support level of 1818 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1825, 1830, 1834, 1837, 1842, 1846 and 1849. And once this resistance zone is broken, we can expect the bullish side trend reversal to start in hourly time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. In 30 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time, again I'm drawing a trend line or a support line, and based on this support line, we can notice that the bearishness is becoming weaker. So wait for the price action to give a breakout from this consolidation on the bearish side or on the bullish side, based on which you can take a directional trade in 30 minutes time frame. And when we look at the overall trend of the price action for the 30 minutes time frame, is still in a bearish trend. And once the price action gives breakout from this support line or trend line, we can expect a very steep fall on the bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance. So currently the price action is dead with the support level of 1822. Once the price action breaks the support level of 1822, next level of support is going to be around 1820 and 1818. And if the price action bounces back from the support level of 1822 on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1823, 1824, 1826, 1828, 1831, 1833 and 1835. Please refer the higher time frame resistance levels for the bullish side targets. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time. In 15 minutes time frame, and the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. We can see a little bit of consolidation to take place within this support level of 1818 and the resistance line from the hourly time frame. Wait for the price action to give a breakout from this resistance line and the support line in order to enter into the directional trade in 15 minutes time frame. Currently, the price action is taken to the resistance level of 1823 and support level of 1821. Once this support is broken, we can expect the next level of support to be around 1818. Once this support level of 1818 is broken, we can expect the bearish side trend to continue. But if the price action takes support around the support level of 1821 or 1818 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be the hourly time frame resistance line. Once this resistance line is broken, next level of resistance is going to be around 1823, 1825, 1826, 1828, 1831, 1833 and 1834. But again, we have a higher time frame resistance line from the bearish channel pattern running over here. It has to break this resistance line if the price action wants to make a bullish side trend reversal in 15 minutes time frame also. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.